for today's video because I have been waiting for this piece for some time now, but that's a story for another video. I wanted to hurry up and get this filmed so I can just relax for the rest of the day and the rest of the week. But I have a bag reveal, so if you want to skip through all my chatter and tell you all about this bag and why I chose it, I'm gonna put an annotation here and you can skip right to the reveal. So yes, we have a fall bag reveal. Now, last night I was talking with one of my friends, like fashion obsessed part of me. I was realizing that I haven't gotten that many bags, which I know is crazy because I've gotten like at least 3 this year. But it's been a while since I've gotten a full-size bag, and so I was thinking about what bag I wanted to get for the fall. This was about maybe a little over a month ago. I really had my eyes set on the YSL Lulu. I still do, but I'm just really over flat bags, and this bag has a flap, but it's totally different. So I'm over flat bags. I'm over that style. I just feel like so many bags have it. I'm over chain strapped bags. Gucci's doing it, Chanel's doing it, so many other designers, YSL is doing it, but I really wanted a fall bag. So I was looking through my collection, and the one thing that I noticed, I have a lot of my bags over there. The one thing that I noticed was that I don't have very many shoulder bags, and recently I've been really into shoulder bags. I'm not sure why. I just think they're so comfortable. I used to really be into handheld bags, but it's just so much more convenient to throw a bag on your shoulder and just get up and go. So I started looking into what other bags besides the YSL Lulu. And you guys know I don't tend to like super popular bags. So I came across this brand. Well, I've known about this brand forever. But this was a bag that was on my list, but then I was like, I don't know if I really like it. But then as I saw more reviews and videos about it, I knew I had to have it. I just thought it was so interesting, very different. It's simple, it's understated. If you don't know this brand or this bag, you don't know what this bag is. You would think that I just got it from Target, which is fine. Target has great bags, but I like it because it's understated, and to the non-fashion savvy person, you don't know what this is. And the older I get, the more I am into simplistic bags that are more understated, because liking what you like and wanting to wear designer handbags, it gives you too much attention, and I really don't like attention. So that's how I picked this bag. I knew I wanted to get it pre-loved because it's super expensive if you buy it new. I think on the website they're like $2,500 or something like that, maybe $22. So I knew I wanted it pre-loved, and I actually ended up getting it off eBay because Fashion File was still just a little too high for my likings. But without further ado, let's get into the reveal. It's in this dust bag. We have dun 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 dun, the Chloe Faye in medium. You guys, how sick is this bag? I freaking love it. Now, it is pre-owned, but honestly, the woman or guy who wore it, they must not have worn it a lot. I see a couple of like superficial scratches over here, which you probably can't even see. This looks fairly good to be suede. There's another little nick back here, and then another little nick. I don't even know if you guys can see it. You probably can't, but I can see it. But it's definitely not anything that's super noticeable. But I love this bag. So like I said, this is the Chloe Faye in the medium. I really like how it's classic. Like, I would wear it with what I have on now. But this little chain, see, I'm still getting my chain detail and my flap, but it's not in a traditional sense. So I really love this bag. It features a longer shoulder strap that is adjustable. So I'm sure you can make it longer or shorter. I have seen reviews of this bag. If you are petite, you can wear it crossbody. I'm not tall, but I'm definitely not petite. So this will just be a shoulder bag for me. I also like it because it has gold hardware, but this is silver, if you can tell. The sun is getting ready to go down, so the lighting might be a little wonky, but the ring is gold, the chain is gold, and then this clamp is silver. You open it like so, and this is the inside. It features the accordion style, which I like. So it looks like it has 4 compartments, but it's really 2. You have this compartment and that compartment. And it has, oh, I love the way the leather smells. The leather smells so good. It has a back zip pocket. Yeah, there might be a little dust in between this crevice, but all in all, this bag is in great condition other than the minor scratches and dents. That is Miss Chloe Grace, if you hear that noise in the background. I have heard mixed reviews about this bag. I will say that it is fairly heavy, okay? It's a leather and suede bag. So when I got the package in the mail today, I was like, oh wow, this is heavy. But it's a shoulder bag, so I'm thinking it might not be too bad. But then again, the shoulder strap is kind of thin, but I'm gonna make it work. I'll let you see where it falls on me. Right here. What else can I say just off of first impressions? I just love it. I think this is gonna be perfect for fall and winter. I'm really not into suede bags too much, but I figured this kind of gave it a little touch of like pizzazz. I really love this bag in the burgundy, but I could not find one that was in my price range. So yeah, super excited for this bag. I will do a review and a what's in my bag. Hello, how are you? So I'll do a review and a what's in my bag probably next month when I've gotten to use this a little more. But I just wanted to share this with you guys. I told you, well, I told some of you that I was getting a new bag. So this is my last bag until Christmas. Hopefully I will get another one for Christmas, but I'm really happy, and I love that I have like something that's a little more understated in my collection, something that I will definitely be able to keep for a while. You kind of see an imprint here, but that's okay. So yeah, if you guys have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.